Hello and welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are having one equations or two equations. You have to solve them. So here the question is given: find all the real numbers x comma y satisfy the equation x power 6 is equal to y power 4 plus 18. We are taking as one now. Second one, y power 6 is equal to x power 4 plus 18 now. We are taking it as 2. So as you are going to solve this problem, so before we start, don't forget to pause the video and try it. And also, if you are new to the channel, so like this Olympiad logical and critical problems will be uploaded from this channel. Subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates. Your subscription is very important. And don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you. So we are going to start the problem. So here in this problem, some logics are there. That's why this problem is selected Olympiad problem. So here the equations we are taking as 1 and 2. So how to solve this equation here we are having. So first of all you'll subtract 1 minus 2. Subtract 1 minus 2. What you'll get here? X power 6 is equal to y to the power of 4 plus 18. Y to the power of 6 is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 18. If you subtract this 2, x power 6 minus y power 6 is equal to y to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4. So this value will get 0. So this can be written as x power 6 minus y power 6 plus x power 4 minus y power 4 equal to 0. So this can be written as x cube whole square or x square whole cube. So x square whole cube minus y square whole cube. This can be written as x square whole square minus y square whole square equal to 0. So if you write the factors of this, so here you'll get x square minus y square into x to the power of 4 plus x square y square plus y to the power of 4. The second one you'll get x square minus y square into x square plus y square is equal to 0. So here if you take x square y square common, x square minus y square common, here what will get x to the power of 4 plus x square y square plus y to the power of 4 plus x square plus y square equal to 0. So here we can say x square minus y square equal to 0, or x to the power of 4 plus x square y square plus y to the power of 4 plus x square plus y square equal to 0. So this equation will satisfy at only x comma y equal to 0, 0. So this won't satisfy the given equation. X0 y0 won't satisfy the given equation. So we are not taking this. Now the second part, x square minus y square equal to 0. So here x square is equal to y square, that implies x is equal to y. Now replace this value, replace x equal to y in first equation. So here first equation is x power 6 is equal to y power 4 plus 18. So here you can get x power 6 minus x power 4 minus 18 equal to 0. So here in the place of x you are replacing y. In the place of x you are writing y value. So here we are doing some adjustment. This is only the logic in this problem. X power 6 minus 3x power 4 plus 2x power 4 minus 6x square plus 6x square minus 18 equal to 0. So the equation won't change. Here adding 3x square power 4 and subtracting and adding 2x power 4. Here minus 6x square subtracting and adding 6x square. So here this you can write it as x square minus 3. X square minus 3 into x power 4 plus 2x square plus 6 equal to 0. So here if you write the factors, you will get like this. X square minus 3 into x power 4 plus 2x square plus 6 equal to 0. So here you won't get real roots. You won't get the real roots. So here x square minus 3 equal to 0. X square is equal to 3. X is equal to plus or minus root 3. Then y value will be, y value is also equal to plus or minus root 3. So here we'll get 4 solutions. 4 solutions will get. One is root 3 comma root 3, x comma y is equal to root 3 comma root 3, root 3 comma minus root 3, minus root 3 comma root 3, and the last one is minus root 3 comma minus root 3. So I hope you like the video. So if you like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you once again for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.